Hey guys, welcome back to the Meaty Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making easy, delicious, homemade pasta. Yes, pasta. Before we get started, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and you subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. I'm gonna start off with a clean countertop or a clean board, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get 1 cup of flour and we're gonna put it on our counter or board. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a small mountain out of this, just like this. Okay everyone, once you have your little small mountain, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a small hole in the middle with our egg. And make sure it's thick so that what we put inside doesn't fall off. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 eggs in this little hole right here. Just like this. We're gonna add 2 eggs. And the next step is we're gonna mix it all in with our flour. Now you're gonna get messy with this recipe, but don't worry, it's gonna be fine. Now we're just gonna mix all our flour with our eggs until we have a dough-like consistency. Okay everyone, once we have a dough-like consistency just like this, we're gonna start kneading it with our hands. No, this is the best part for me. Just like this. Okay everyone, once you're done kneading and you have a dough just like this, we're gonna start rolling out our dough. Now, if you have a really dry dough, you can add a little bit of water. And if you have a really moist or wet dough, you can add a little bit more of flour. The reason why sometimes it doesn't get to a perfect consistency at the first try with your eggs is because the eggs aren't always the same size. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on our counter or clean board, and we're gonna start rolling our dough out. Now, you can use a special rolling attachment to a mixture, or you can roll it with a roller. Now I'm just rolling it with a roller so it is easier. What we're gonna need is a really thin dough. Okay everyone, now we're gonna cut our pasta. Now the shapes I'm gonna cut them are little bows. Now, this is how you cut little bows. With a pizza cutter or any knife, but it's just easier with a pizza cutter. We're gonna cut long rectangles, about 1 inch thick, just like this. Once we have our long rectangles, we're gonna cut them into little squares like this. Okay, once you have your little squares, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our squares and we're gonna pinch them like this. And there goes our noodles. And we're gonna do the exact same thing with all our noodles. This is my pasta. Now, right now it is boiling and it looks amazing. I can't wait to taste it. I'll see you when my pasta is all ready to taste. Okay everyone, so my pasta is ready to taste. Now I'm super excited because I love pasta, especially my pasta. So let's taste it. Now here I've got a little bit of homemade pesto sauce and a little bit of tomato sauce. So you can use any sauce you want. They're just pasta. Now I just chose these two because I like them. Let's taste first with the tomato sauce. These are amazing. They're soft. They have a great taste. Delicious, and they're super easy to make. Make sure you go ahead and make these. Okay everyone, it's time to say goodbye. I hope you love this recipe. Make sure to follow it if you love pasta. And I'll see you next time. But before, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Bye!